In this video, we are discussing different looping techniques in Python. So loops in Python with condition at the top. So here you see in this particular flowchart, the condition is at the top and then we're having the body of the loop here after this condition which will be at the top of the loop. So this can be implemented using normal while loop without break statements. The condition of the while loop will be at the top and the loop terminates when the condition is getting false. So test expression of the loop: when the condition is true, then the body of the loop will get executed. When the condition is false, then it will come out from this loop, that is the exit loop. So here you see the placement of the condition is at the top of the loop body. Loop in Python with condition in the middle. Just look at here. This is our condition which is at the middle, and here we are having the body of the loop prior to that. We are having the body of the loop after to that. But when you see in the entering into the loop, the body of the loop at least for the first time will get executed. Then the condition will be checked. If it is break is there, if there is some break, then it will come out, and if there is no break, then it will continue with the loop, and then again the control will come here, and in this way the loop will get executed. That is the loop in the Python with condition in the middle. Loop in Python with the condition at the bottom. So now here you see we are having this condition at the bottom. So this kind of loop ensures that the body of the loop is executed at least once, and it can be implemented using infinite loop along with the conditional break at the end. This is similar to do while loop in C. But in Python we don't have the do while loop. So that's why it can be simulated in Python in this respective way. So control will come down here, then loop body of the loop is there. If the break is there, then it will come out, that is the exit loop, otherwise the condition will be continued. Infinite loop in Python. So we can create an infinite loop using while statement. If the condition of the loop while loop is always true, we get an infinite looping. So while true, just I am showing you that how to write and one infinite looping while true. So just see here, this true will remain true forever. So it will go on executing because the condition is not going to get false. So n is equal to int input and integer. So I am prompting user through the input function that please enter some value from the keyboard as input, but input returns string. So I am doing the typecasting here, I am converting it to integer. So if n% 2 is equal to 0, print even number else odd number, and here you see the indentation is there. That means all these statements are under the while construct. So what will happen? It will go on executing, and it will be asking values from the keyboard as input, and it will just tell whether the number whatever you have provided is even or odd. So this is a good example of this infinite looping in Python. So in this article we have discussed the different looping techniques, that is the putting the condition at the top, putting the condition in the middle, putting the condition in the bottom. How to write this infinite looping, we have discussed that one into details. Thanks for watching this video.